Are you flipping kidding me? This is your boy Detroit Love with another video. You're not gonna believe this mess. So I started assembling my Galaga, even though I said I would wait 6 weeks until I got my acrylic clear coat cover so I wouldn't jack up the control panel. And everything was going smooth. I'm getting this thing together, and then I get to the marquee. It's not good. Are you kidding me? You guys aren't gonna believe this. Arcade1Up, what are you doing out there? I hope they resolve this quickly because man. But good thing I didn't wait till the 6 weeks, because then I'll be waiting all over again. Check this out. What up, YouTube? Carl Brooks here, Detroit Love. And I have a problem here. I decide to go ahead and start assembling my Galaga. And look at my marquee. You might not be able to see it, but it's upside down. So now I gotta call and get on the list. Take a look at it. So the sign is upside down. You see that's met up the right way. You're supposed to screw in here. And then the board slides in these 2 slots to put the top on. But no sense in me going any further because I'm gonna have to have them send me out a marquee. So we're at a halt. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button and make sure you make some comments down there. I want to know I'm doing the right thing for you guys out here. Thanks.